We're finally starting to get some cooler temperatures. After a long, hot summer, we know that fall is here. We have so many projects out in the garden to do before we can move into our indoor gardening. And it can be stressful and overwhelming. Best thing I have found is make a checklist. We can go down the checklist and start checking things off. That's very rewarding, but you won't feel overwhelmed. You can prioritize what you need done. I have a couple projects in my garden that I need to get done, so let's start. One thing is division. Fall is a great time to divide many plants, such as this hosta here, which is not in a happy spot. So I have decided to dig him up, and he's going to get moved to a better area. But I can make more plants out of this one clump, and it's so easy. And you can see where the different plants are. Like, take a flat shovel, just go in between the plants and just chop through. Hostas and things like daylilies are very good candidates for division, and the fall is the best time to do it. And it can save you a lot of money. Now let's go on to the next project. Here we are in my front garden. The next thing that's on my checklist is to cut back some of these garlic chives. I love garlic chives. It's a late summer bloomer, but it's a prolific seeder. So I would like to try to get some of these seed heads chopped off before they start settling and making new plants. And if you like, you can take these inside to dry and they make nice decorations and a flower arrangement. And now that this is done, we can mark this off of our checklist. So the easiest thing to do, everyone, is to get your checklist, get everything checked off before you move into your indoor gardening, enjoy the season, and go out and get your hands dirty.